how to calculate center of gravity. For method. Calculator. Identify the vet. Determine the datum. Find center of gravity. Checking your answer. Center of gravity the center to object vet distribution, or earth force gravity can be considered to act. Point earth object in. Perfect balance, no matter turn or rotated around a point. If you want to know how to calculate the center of gravity of an object, then you have to find vet of the object, and objects on it, locate the datum, en plus de known quantity and the equation for calculating the center of gravity. If you want to know how to calculate the center of gravity, just follow the steps. Calculator. Identify the vet. Calculate the vet of the object. When you're calculating the center of gravity, the first thing you should do is to find the vet of the object. Let's say you're calculating the vet of a SOTA a mass of 30 lbs. Since a symmetrical object, its center of gravity will be exactly in its center if but if the so a couple of different masses sitting on it, then the problem is a bit more complicated. Calculate additional vet. To find the center of gravity of the so with 2 children on it, you'll need to individually find the vet of the children on it. The first child a mass of 40 lbs. And the second child is 60 lbs. Determine the datum. Ose a datum. Datum is an arbitrary starting point placed on none of the so. You can place the datum on none of the so or tote. Let's say. So is as felon. Les place the datum on the left side of the so, close to the first child. Measure the datum distance from the center of the main object avel from the 2 additional vet. Let's say the children are sitting 1 foot away from and of the so. Center of the so it midpoint of the so, aura 8 fait, 5/16 fait divided by 2 8. Rare the distance from the center of the main object and 2 additional vet form the datum. Center of so égale 8 fait away from datum. Child 1 égale 1 foot away from datum. Child 2 égale 15 fait away from datum. Find the center of gravity. Multiply et object distance from the datum by vet to find moment. Give you the moment for a object. Draw to multiply et object. Distance from the datum by vet. So, 30 lb. X8 ft. Égale 240 ft. X lb. Child 1 égale 40 lb. X1 ft. Égale 40 ft. X lb. Child 2 égale 60 lb. X15 ft. Égale 100 ft. X lb. Adducte très moment. Simpli d'autres maths, 240 ft. X lb. Plus 40 ft. X lb. Plus 900 ft. X lb égale 1180 ft. X lb. Total moment est 1180 ft. X lb. Add the vet of alt object. Find the sum of the vet of the so, the first child, and the second child. To doti, adduct vet, 30 lbs. Plus 40 lbs. Plus 60 lbs. Égale 130 lbs. Divide the total moment by the total vet. T will give you the distance from the datum to the center of gravity of the object. To doti, simply divide 1180 ft. X lb. By 130 lbs. 1180 ft. X lb. Signe de division 130 lbs égale 9.08 ft. Center of gravity 9.08 fait from the datum, or measured 9.08 fait from the of the left side of the so, which your earth datum was placed. Checking your answer. Find the center of gravity in the diagram. If the center of gravity you find outside of the system of object, you have the wrong answer. You may have measured distance from mort on a point. Try again with just one datum. For example, for people sitting on a sezove, the center of gravity at to be sommet around sezove, no toute let right of the sezove. It de no have tube. Directly on a person. Is true with problem in two dimension. Draw square juste l'argent nous to fi all of the object in your problem. Center of gravity must be inside. T-square. Check your math if you get at any en sway. If you picked on of the system a your datum, at any en sway put the center of gravity right next to an an. T-can. But the right en sway, but you often the sign of a mistake. When you calculated moment, did you multiply the vet en distance to gt? That correct way to. Feint moment. If you accidentally add attempt to gt instead, you usually get a much smaller en sway. Troubleshoot if you have more than a center of gravity. Every system only a single center of gravity. If you find more than one, you might have a skipped step. Or you add alt moment to gt. Center of gravity it total moment divided by total vet. You don't need to divide a moment by a vet, which only tell you the position of a object. Check your datum if you en sway of biao all b. T'en sway to or exemple in 9.08 ft. Let's say you try it en jet t'en sway 1.08 ft, 7.08 ft, or à noter. Nb and in 0.8. Me most likely happen because the shows the let of the sezove at datum, will you shows the right or some t point. Integer distance from your datum. Your en sway actually correct no matter which datum you use. You just need to remember that datum alva x égale 0. En exemple. We've solved it, the datum at let of the sezove. Our en sway 9.08 ft, so our center of mass is 9.08 ft from the datum at let. If you pick a new datum ft from the let, you get en sway 8.08 ft for the center of mass. Center of mass is 8.08 ft from the new datum, which is 1 ft from the let. Center of mass is 8.08 plus 1 égale 9.08 ft from the let, the same sway the go before. Note, when measuring distance, remember ta distance to the let of the datum are negative, while distance to the right are positive. Make sure all your measurements are in straight line. Let's use a note qui don't sezove exemple, button qui dit much taletante ot, oron qui dit. Angie underneath the sezove instead of sitting on top. Ignore the difference entre all your measurements along the straight line of the sezove. Measuring distance a angle will lead to answer are close but slightly off. Forces of problem, all you carabou or the center of gravity along the left right line of the sezove. Latte, you might learn more advanced way to calculate the center of gravity in two dimensions.